Sa Ateneo Varsity tragedy, tila kanya-kanyang distansya ang iba't ibang sangay ng Ateneo de Manila University sa nangyaring sakuna sa Aurora. Pero para sa staff at student council mismo ng universidad, kulang. May illegal na aspeto ang pagtugon ng Ateneo. Narito ang political update ni Andrea Salve.
Wala raw papel ang University Athletics Office ng Ateneo de Manila University sa pag-aproba sa team building activity ng Ateneo Men's Basketball Team sa Dipakulaw, Aurora noong June 8, kung saan nasawi sina Rene Baterbonia at Divine Adili. Ito ang inilahad ni ADMO Office of College Athletics Coordinator Benjo Afuang na umani ng negatibong reaksyon mula sa Ateneo community sa isinagawang town hall meeting noong Martes.
What was the role of the University Athletics in approving the team building? The answer is none. The answer there is University Athletics, no hand in approving the team building activity. I think I'm just here to answer that specific question. It was asked if the University Athletics knew about it, if it was brought to them, and if they seek approval. The answer is no.
Ayon sa NBI, kasama na rin sa kanilang sinisilip ang pahayag na ito ng ADMO OCA.
We are also coordinating with other government agency now kung ano yung dapat na sanction dito. Also, we coordinate with UAP. So sabi nga natin, tingnan namin, even Ched, we're talking to Ched from its direction.
Sa usapin ng kontrol at pamamahala, nilinaw naman ni ADMO President Father Bobby Yap na ang men's basketball team ay owned and managed by the university. Kasunod ito ng sinabi ng CIDG na ang Smart Communications ang nag-ooperate sa Ateneo MBT. Una na ring pinabulaanan ng MVP Sports Foundation ang aligasyon. Wala namang pag-aatubiling pinanawagan ni incoming Ateneo Student Council President Jedrick Romero ang pag-aalis sa pwesto kay ADMO Marketing and Communications Director Matek Villanueva. Naging malaking usapin kasi ang pamamaraan ng pakikipag-usap ng Ateneo, hindi lang sa mga pamilya ni Baterbonia at Adili, kundi pati na rin sa community at publiko matapos ang trahedya.
Given that one of the key lapses in that have happened in this past week is really in relation to communications, I will not shy away from mentioning an office in the name. I think it's time to consider relieving Ms. Matek Villanueva of this position.
I'd like to give your...
Yes, Father Nono. And or at the very least, there must really be a deep reevaluation of how we communicate and how we talk to our community.
Isa ring faculty member ang umalma sa naging pagtrato ng ADMO kay dating AMBT head coach Tab Baldwin matapos ang trahedya. Hindi raw naging patas ang pamunuan.
Sa amin hindi ito lapse na. I don't know if there was even something illegal about what happened. You keep saying there's accountability. You didn't even preventively suspend Coach Baldwin or his team members. That is SOP. Kung kami yun, ginawa na ngayon sa amin.
No-show si Baldwin sa pasubpina ng CIDG at NBI na nagsasagawa ng parallel investigation sa kaso. Hindi pa rin tiyak kung personal itong sisipot sa Biyernes o tanging abogado lang ang kanyang ipapadala. Una nang sinabi ng CIDG na homicide at hazing ang mga kasong kanilang nakikita sa gumugulong na investigasyon. Ang NBI naman tumanggi munang magbitaw ng mga salita hanggat hindi natatapos ang fact-finding.
Marami nagtatanong talaga kung ano yung take namin, kung may homicide ba, may accident. We'd rather not comment. We have to be very careful sa magiging statement kasi it becomes a national interest already and that's what we want to avoid. We don't want to nasakyan ito politically or personally. We have to be fair and professional in the handling of this investigation.
Ngayong araw, 9 na player ng Ateneo Blue Eagles ang sumipot sa subpina ng NBI, kaugnay pa rin sa Aurora Tragedy Investigation. Para sa Politico Nightly, Andrea Salve, Billionaire News Channel.